Hi there, young chefs! Today, we'll embark on an exciting culinary adventure as we learn all about food safety and cooking. Get ready to have loads of fun! First things first, let's talk about food safety. Imagine food as your best friend. You want to keep it safe and healthy, right? Well, food safety means ensuring our food is clean and won't make us sick. This is done by always washing your hands before touching food and keeping the kitchen squeaky clean. We have just talked about food safety. Now, let's find out how we can keep our raw food safe. Raw food items can sometimes be tricky. They can house bacteria and dirt, while some can even be dangerous for us to eat if not cooked properly. These risk factors can make us fall sick or unwell. To stay safe, we need to wash our fruits and vegetables before eating. Never leave food out for too long and cook food properly. Now, the question is, what does it mean to cook our food properly? Let's find out. Cooking food is super cool. It is when we use heat to transform raw food items like vegetables, meat, or grains into yummy meals. But why do we do this? Well, besides making things taste great, cooking also keeps us safe. It's like a hero that fights off the bad guys called bacteria. These little bacteria can make us sick, and cooking is one of our secret weapons to fight them. When we cook our meals properly, the heat kills the bacteria and makes the food safe for us to eat. Another reason cooking is cool is because it makes our food soft and easy to chew and brings out all those flavors that make our taste buds dance with joy. When our foods become soft and tender, it makes it easy for our body to break down or digest the food. Cool, right? We've learned so much today, from food safety to the reasons we cook our delicious foods. Remember, cooking is not just about making food taste good, it's about keeping us healthy. Keep exploring in the kitchen and always have fun. Thanks for joining us on this food journey. I hope you had a blast and learned tons of exciting new things. Until next time, see you later, friends. Have a super duper day.